It's Dr. Schwartzman once again. Today I'm going to teach you my #1 favorite treatment for when you have a cold or early stages of the cold, having a cough, upper respiratory infection, or a flu, or perhaps even sleep issues. This treatment I call the magical socks treatment. That's right, magical socks. And I hope this is what you reach for when you first begin to experience those cold symptoms. Of course, right now, this is November and it is time when most people are having a lot of symptoms. Now, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you get 2 pairs of socks. Cotton socks, plain, simple cotton socks, and wool socks. Get 2 pairs. At the very early stages of your cold, of course, this is most effective because it will essentially help facilitate that recovery period much faster. If you're having a cough or a flu or some sort of later stages of your cold, then this is okay to do as well. It will just take an extra day or two to help facilitate the recovery. Now, what I'm going to have you do is at night, before you go to sleep, of course, sleep is the #1 remedy for getting over the cold. You're gonna get your feet really hot. Now, 2 ways to do it. You can put your feet in the bathtub and run it under hot water, or you can also sit in front of a bucket with hot water. Get your feet really hot. After you've gotten your feet really hot, make sure you dry them off really well. Take this pair of socks, the cotton socks, and run them under cold water. You can also place them inside an ice bucket full of water, and once you do that, once they're wet in cold water, you wring them out really well so no water is in the socks anymore. Place them over your hot feet right away. Take a pair of wool socks, nice warm wool socks, dry wool socks. Place them over these wet ones and go to sleep. Cover yourself up, bundle up, and go to sleep. Make sure you don't get the chills. One of the things that you may experience at night is your body may get hot, so you may actually throw your covers off or uncover yourself slightly. This is okay. This is a normal part of your immune system kicking in. Things are moving around. Your lymphatic flow is moving. Your immune system is being stimulated. And this is one of the ways that you're actually going to fight off the infection. By the time you wake up in the morning, this pair of socks will actually be dry. In fact, you may even have them dry by the time it's 3, 4, 5 in the morning. You may feel a lot better, but the key is to do it 3 nights in a row. 3 nights in a row. In my experience, most people end up quitting after the second night, and that's because the majority of your symptoms actually improve. But 3 nights is optimal because it kind of seals in that immune response and your recovery time. Now, if you have trouble sleeping, some people do find this treatment helpful. But once again, the topic is cold, flu, cough, upper respiratory infections, nasal congestion. This can be incredibly helpful. What I encourage you to do is try this at home, and since you're watching this, you may be having some symptoms, or at least this will be something in your toolbox that you keep in mind for you, for your family, or your children. And make sure you try it out. Comment below in the comment section. Let us know about your experiences, and I look forward to seeing you next time.